this feels very homey. Like I haven't been in a brand new townhouse like this in a long while that felt this homey and this practical. Like everything is well made. Tsaka perfect siya for starting family or even a family of, say, maybe 3 or even 4 kids. And patating in-laws if needed. So if you're curious, this is a brand new townhouse here in BF Homes Parañaque. Stay tuned for the full house tour so that you appreciate a house like this in the market. We've got a brand new townhouse for sale here in BF Homes, Parañaque. So you have a compound here. So you have one main gate and then several units to choose from. But we're going to tour this one for today's video. So this particular unit has a 2-vehicle carport here on the right side. And then a nice little planter garden here on the left. And you have your main entrance here in the middle. You have a solid wooden door with some wood paneling or detailing. And then a glass panel here on the left side, but it has fabric in the middle of the glass, so it's not quite transparent. And then you have a digital door lock, and once you open that, it lets you in, and this is immediately what will welcome you. But before we check out the open area, let's check out these 2 doors first. So after the entrance, you have a door that leads to this room. Now actually, this is currently displayed as an office, as you can see, but you could turn it into a bedroom if you needed it. So this is going to be at the front of the property. Of course, the first room that you will see upon entering, as I mentioned. You have a built-in wardrobe as well as entertainment. And then this actually has an ensuite toilet and bath that also acts as the guest accessible toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. Now, that being said, again, that room can be a bedroom, but it is better as an office. Just granted that the bathroom is a shared toilet. Okay, so now you have your living spaces. Ang ganda nga ng main stairs niya, no? Ang lapad, tas aliwalas niyang tignan. Because, well, everything here is very bright. It's very matte or flat white. So, diffused very well. Kahit na maliwanag. So, hindi siya nakakasilaw while being that nice and bright vibe. Now, speaking of the fabric that I was talking about earlier from the main entrance, you see that here as well. And this glass divides the living area from the kitchen. Pero technically, parang open area tong living, dining, and yung kitchen. Then speaking of kitchen, you have that over here. Lots of space, lots of natural light coming in from the sliding glass doors that you see over there. And kahit na wall, ha? Ay, sabi ko, sorry, dining pala. Sorry, dining. You have lots of natural light coming in to the dining area. And kahit na wall lagi nasa labas, dahil flat white yung wall, nagda-bounce yung ilaw from that wall and then in here. So again, everything is really nice and bright. Before we check that out, there is a door over here under the stairs. And this is storage, basically. Ang lalim niya na storage. It goes all the way under the stairs. And from your dining, ito nga yung sliding door, meron ng steel screen so that you can open this up and let the breeze flow. And then you have this outdoor area here in the back. Now this also acts as your fire escape exit or landing. And then you have a gate over here for your water tank, etc. And so meron kang space for that na kung gusto mong i-enclose. For example, if you don't want your pets getting to all of the wiring, etc. Okay, siya na enclosed. You can also hang your laundry here. Okay, going back in to the dining area, right next to that you have the kitchen. So you have an L-shaped counter over here, lots of storage underneath, and a bar on this side. And then on the other side, another L-shaped counter where your sink and your stove are, as well as your refrigerator. Some overhead cabinetry, and then you have a nice backsplash na subway tiles yung inspiration. And then you have a door over here for your service area and laundry. So washing machine, your built-in sink as well as your counter. And then you have a staff quarters with an ensuite toilet and bath. And then stairs leading to a second set of staff quarters. And then a smaller gate that'll go back out the 2-vehicle carport. So, this is what I mean though. Yung sabi ko kanina, you can hang your clothes dun sa likod. Pero nandito yung washing machine, di ba? Actually, bahala naman kayo. You can hang it here, although mas malaki yung space sa likod, mas tinataba ng araw. So, it's up to you, depending on which unit you get. Some people, they prefer na naarawan yung damit, iba ayaw, or it doesn't matter. So, it's, again, up to you. Okay, so that is it for the ground floor. Before we head up the second, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in BF Homes Parañaque, make sure you go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So again, as I mentioned earlier, you have beautiful wide steps, solid wooden flooring, tapos may mga ilaw na rin to help you get to and fro or get up and down the stairs at night. Okay, so second floor landing, you have 2 doors. We're gonna go through this one first. Sorry. Oh, and here we have the primary. This is the primary room, right? Just making sure. We have the primary room or bedroom number 2. You have lots of space. You can fit a queen-sized bed, even a king-sized bed if you want, actually. And you'd still have enough space on either side for your end tables. Lots of windows, again, for natural light. And then you have enough space for a couch in front of your entertainment or your TV. And then you have your desk space. Basically, you have a lot of space when you have a decent enough space for a seating setup apart from the bed itself. And then over here, you have an ensuite toilet and bath with his and her sinks. This is a beautiful double sink, by the way. Look at how it flows. It's like seamless wave lang siya. Dali nito linisan, in fairness. I love it. You have your toilet. You have your enclosed shower space here in the corner. And then you have lots of wardrobe space. So opaque wardrobe, and then this entire wall is just mirrors or sliding mirrors for convenience, as well as to expand the space. Solid wooden flooring also for the second floor hallway. And then across that, you have bedroom number 2. Ay, 3 pala, sorry. So again, you have lots of space for the bedroom. You have your built-in wardrobe over there on the right side. This is a full double, I think. Full-size bed. It's not a queen. And then on this side, you have enough space for an entertainment, as well as your desk. This is such a pretty setup. And then right next to that, you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. Also, even for this floor, and even for the toilet and bath, you have high ceiling still. So lahat naman high ceiling. But speaking of high ceiling, lalo na to, going up the 3rd floor. So let's check that out. So up here, again, you have that high ceiling. Meron actually abang for a chandelier if you so desired. But I would suggest a more minimalist chandelier for this one, just because everything else seems to be minimalist, but of good quality. Like ito, diba? Simple lang yung handle niya, pero ang ganda tignan kasi flowing siya. Okay, 3rd floor landing, and we have another door over here for bedroom number 4. Ooh, lots of space here. So you have 2 twin beds, or 2 double, I think this is a double, beds. You have your built-in wardrobe on that side, and then your entertainment on this side. Then you have an ensuite toilet and bath. Ooh. With a huge sink, a toilet, and then an enclosed shower space. And then this is also the ensuite of this room. So your family room. So this is more of a rectangular room with a matching rectangular cove lighting. And it's just the perfect cozy space or intimate space for hanging out with your family and watching TV or playing games, what have you. And this also has access to a balcony at the at the top floor. Ang linis naman. Oh. And then you have a view of your neighborhood landscape, which again is BF Homes Parañaque. Of course, this unit is at this corner, so this is the view. So again, it'll depend on what unit you get. But essentially, you have this amount of space. You have lots of space for seating. And during the nighttime or sundown, sarap tumambay dito. And you can even have an indoor-outdoor situation if you were having friends and visitors over. So overflow siya nung family room or family area. And then you can get back in through this door and find yourself in the third floor hallway again. Oh, that is a nice visual going down. Speaking of visuals, before I do my recap, make sure you check out these really nice B-rolls. So numbers, you have 302 to 352 square meters of floor area, depending on which unit you get. And then 130 to 165 for your lot area, square meters for your lot area. 5 bedrooms, one of which is here on the ground floor. And as demonstrated here, it's currently being displayed as an office. But again, you could turn it into a bedroom if you needed it, especially since ang ganda nga ng location niya dun sa property mismo. You have 4 toilet and baths and then a 2-vehicle carport. And you also have a service area as well as staff quarters with their own toilet and bath. And again, this is in BF Homes Parañaque. So if you were on the market for a townhouse like this, we have some units here. So tignan niyo na lang which one suits your needs better. And especially if the place suits your needs perfectly. So let us know. Contact us through our number or through our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?